Video I'll be sharing a cheaper and an alternative approach to making your ceilings look great without false ceilings. So I'll be using ceiling fans and filament lamps to do this. Today we will be unboxing a 24-inch ceiling fan. The packaging is basic, and as you can see, so the wings and the motor comes in the same box. Here we have the cup. Quality looks good. Here's the holder which holds the fan onto the ceiling. So this is how it is. 1 cup for the bottom portion, 1 cup for the top portion. So a total of 2 cups. Wings, motor, holder and the rod. The quality of the wings looks good. In this model they have a little bit of design on the wings. So the steps to install this fan is to unscrew all the portions which have a cardboard attached to it. So there are total of 8 screws which has to be unscrewed. So after installing the wings, the fan looks something like this. Ensure the orientation is correct. Runs pretty well. A LED filament light bulb is an LED lamp which is designed to resemble a traditional bulb. So whatever you see, the filament portion is for aesthetics and for the light distribution purpose, but what actually emits the light are the light emitting diodes which are inside this bulb. So it is a screw type installation. For cases where you're replacing false ceilings, or want to have some kind of good look in your roof or your room, filament bulbs add an extra layer of beauty to the room, and I generally like these filament type bulbs. They're pretty efficient on power and can be used with installations like these. They do generally give a good look to the room at a very low cost.